We have one final stop to make on our show. Mike Shorr, the day trader at Prosper Trading Academy, is here with a stock he thinks could be a mover. Mike, what do you have to say?
Well, good to see you too. I'm looking at Symbiotic, SYM, and I'll be honest, I have not traded this before, but I do like the space. So what they do is, essentially warehouse. If you can combine a material handling company and AI, that's what this company is. So, automation of, pushing things around, logistics and things like that. And so what I'm looking for is a trade, and it's had a nice move up, and then we're seeing a little bit of resistance here, but if we can push through 3177, yes, 3177, I think that we have a pretty clear path up to 36 even. 3601 is actually the 200-day moving average. And really where the volume starts to come in is around 40. So I think that, this is one of those sneaky plays. And like I said, this isn't a name that I normally look at, but, those type of new names are exciting to me.
It would seem AI automation would be a growth area for manufacturing.
I can't believe that there's not more of this going on. And I think that, this is something that is definitely scalable and everything. It just seems to fit everything where the growth is, but not, hoping for the next big thing. It's actually using the type of software and applications of those softwares to implement that into the real world. And I that's, where, the real world and the theoretical world, when they mesh together, there's usually a really good story to go after that.
People ask me all the time to give them a stock pick. I tell them to watch the show.
Me too. I'm on the other end of the camera.
Good to pay attention to our traders and do some research.
Yeah, you just run the scans on a lot of things, and then when it makes sense, it makes sense. And I'm not just saying, hey, buy this. I'm saying, well, wait for the market to get on with it, and then if it does, I think that you have a nice little run for 10-12% move up, and maybe even more.
Thank you, Mike. Nice to see you.
Well, thank you very much for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.